How to change currency on the Amazon app. What's up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily change currency on your Amazon app. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now, let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have the Amazon app. You can find it on Google Play Store or App Store. So once you open up the app, make sure that you're logged in. So once you are logged in, if you are on an iOS device, you need to tap on these three dots at the bottom, and from here, if you scroll down, you'll find the settings right here. But if you're on an Android like me, then what you need to do is tap on the home button right here. And from here, you want to head over to this profile icon at the bottom of your screen. And once you tap on it, at the top right, you will see a country name and then a flag. You just have to tap on it. It basically resembles the region and your language. So if you want to change your country and region, you can do that from here. If you want to change your language, you can do that from here. And if you want to change your currency, you just tap on the third option and choose from all of these available options. So let's say if I want to change it to Japanese yen, I just tap on it and tap on done. And all of the products that are shown here will be shown on Japanese yen. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.